Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming here with another cool review. This is from Bluesound.com. It's the POWERNODE 2i with HDMI. It's a wireless multi-room music streaming amplifier. This thing is super nice. It comes in two different colors, kind of a black and a white, if you will. And basically, they've reinvented the amp. This is a streaming amplifier that merges several traditional components into one and unlocks a world of high-fidelity streaming. You can effortlessly drive your choice of speakers, the same zero distortion audio signature that Bluesound has become known for, and the POWERNODE 2i takes your favorite tracks to new levels. This is pretty awesome. We're really impressed with this. If you've got like old receivers or receivers that don't have Bluetooth and some of the new updates on them, this is a great way to either add that to a receiver or replace it, if you will. You can easily drive your existing pair of premium speakers. Hybrid digital amp and DAC technologies ensures flawless playback with precision and clarity. It's got 60 watts times 2 into 8 ohms of hybrid digital power, HDMI, ARC, and eARC connectivity. It features digital and analog input options, headphone stereo mini jack, subwoofer RCA mono, access and stream internet radio stations, cloud music services, and your own local music to multiple Bluesound players if you have them around your house. This thing is freaking awesome. It works with Bluesound RC1 remote controller too if you want to take and do that. And you can create and control a seamless multi-room experience with the intuitive BlueOS controller app. You can connect your Bluesound to your Amazon Echo with the Amazon app using Amazon Alexa Assistant to control players around your home. You can use AirPlay 2 that lets you play music or podcasts from wireless stereo components throughout your house, all in sync, and it works with Google Assistants. I got to tell you, we used it and we were super impressed with it. Did an incredible job. And what's nice, it's pretty nondescript. It isn't a giant receiver. It's just a small little thing that can sit on your shelf, and unknowingly, it runs your speakers and all the systems. And, of course, being able to stream your music, Bluetooth, even Bluetooth headphones. So if you want to hook up Bluetooth headphones, wow, this is a great replacement for those old-style receivers. Anyway, you can go to bluesound.com and check out the POWERNODE 2i, which we highly recommend, and we'll see you next time.